by the way. Because I'm happy if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy if you feel like that's what you want to do.
All right, good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to today. Today is Thursday. It is April 22nd, 2021, and I am live again from Ms. Concha's pre-K3 classroom. And we are going to go ahead and say our pledges. If you could, please stand up. Place your hand over your heart, your right hand over your heart, and face the American flag as we say our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic
For which it stands, one nation, under God,
indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now let's go ahead and face the Texas flag as we say our pledge to the Texas flag.
I pledge allegiance to the Texas.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee.
Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
At this time, let's please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you, Wildcats. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home, at school, or on the bus who makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or even disrespected, please find a trusted adult and let them know how you feel. Guess what, friends? Today there are no birthdays, so happy unbirthday to you. All right, we do have a couple of announcements. Today is Earth Day. It is the day that we celebrate Mother Earth. So today, do something good for the environment. That means if you leave a room, turn off the light. Make sure you turn off the faucets when you're not using them. Make sure you throw away your trash, you pick up litter. Do something little every day for Earth. All right, we have a 5th grade science district assessment, and it is going to be for our virtual and our face-to-face students. So it is a full shutdown. So because of that, please remember to not use the front stairwell and to go ahead and follow whatever the email was that was sent out. The character education theme for this month is self-discipline. Abraham Lincoln once said, discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. All right, so with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not. That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. We hope that you choose to make it a terrific Thursday.